G'day mates and hello friends. Ordinary Average Guy here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Leatherman Free T2. So, I don't know guys, if you haven't watched my review of the Biblio, I'm actually doing a giveaway. And I'm giving away this sucker right here. So if you haven't seen my review of the Biblio, head over there when you're done with this unboxing and check it out, because I am giving away this sucker right here. Cool little D2 G10 model of the version of the Pilar by Jesper Voxnaes. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, do it right now. Here's my Instagram. I'll just put it right here. And, go over there because I'm giving away this sucker too. Huge. This is awesome. This is the Kaiser mini sheepdog. So, cool little knife. I've also done a review on this guy, and I've done a review on the Pilar as well. So, you can check those reviews out. And I'm actually giving these two things away. So, they're free. So I just, like the Leatherman Free, those are free. So all you have to do is watch my videos and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. It's just that easy. So there you go. Check those things out and figure out, find out how to win those guys. And then after we do this review, I'm going to be doing a crossover giveaway of this guy right here. I've also done a review on the Para 3 Lightweight. Really cool knife, guys. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway of this. So stay tuned to the end of this. Watch this unboxing. And find out, when I'm going to be giving this away and how I'm going to be giving it away. So very cool stuff. So I have already done a review of the P series of the Leatherman Free. Full discretion, wasn't really super impressed by it, but I was really more excited about the new T series and the K series. The K series is actually, it's a knife, right? And it uses magnetic architecture. On the back of the knife, it has like like some screwdrivers and pry bar and stuff like that. I think the K4 has a pair of scissors in it too. I was really more excited about that stuff. Leatherman's done that before. They have a knife that has like a screwdriver and like a bottle opener and Phillips screwdriver on it and stuff like that. It's called like the I don't know, I can't remember, Altitude or something like that. Anyway, but the K series looks like it's improved on that. Now this is the T series. This is sort of a smaller multi-tool, sort of about this size. And this is the Gerber dime, but it doesn't have a pair of pliers in it. It's more like a little Swiss Army knife. So I was very excited about it. Wanted to check it out. And so here we go. I went to order the T4 as well. I went, oh, what am I doing? I ordered the T2 and I went to order the T4 because I wanted to do an unboxing of both and let you guys see both. And then by the time I called over, they had sold out of all of them. So here we go on the Leatherman Free. So let's see here. Now, when I first saw this, guys, I noticed on the back of the box, I don't remember seeing this on the T2 or the T4, the wine bottle opener. Corkscrew is what it's actually called there, guy. But, I don't remember seeing that on either one, but I could be wrong. So let's see here. Durable and strong. We built Leatherman Free from the ground up, so we've redesigned every part of the tool, making it the toughest, most durable multi-tool ever. The core of the Leatherman Free series, magnets. Magnets, bitch. This allows for smooth and predictable use for years to come. We shall see about that, buddy. Access the tools with a simple push of your thumb. Say goodbye to broken fingernails. Broke my fingernail last night on my refrigerator. It cut the crap out of me and snapped back my fingernail. So you're going to have to excuse the tore up hands here. Anyway, I swear it's not from knives. All right, guys. Oh, I'm excited about this. So, Leatherman Free. Here we go. I'm going to use, what can I use? Let's use the Pilar to open this. Here we go. So yeah, I'm really hoping that this is more impressive than the P series, and this will run you about. This one's the T2. It'll run you about $40. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so this is going to be more like a little like a Swiss Army knife. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Wow, it's actually pretty decent size. I mean, here it is next to the Pilar. It's actually about the same size as the Pilar. That's actually it's a very impressive size. Anyway. Much different than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be small, like a little Victorinox, like one of those little, I can't remember what they're called, camper or something. You know, the little Victorinox everybody has. I thought it was going to be more about that size, but I was wrong. Thank you for buying a genuine Leatherman. You are welcome. Locking knife blade. Okay, that's key. That helps. Push thumb down. How to use your Leatherman. Okay. Now, I had to register the P4. Does this have to register this one? I hate having to register stuff. So weak. Leatherman always had the best warranty, right? No matter what happened, lifetime warranty. I've had to warranty many Leatherman before. I've snapped the plier heads off this, send it in, no questions asked, they replace it, send it back. So, you know, I was really unimpressed. You have to register the P series. It doesn't look like it's saying you have to register this one. No. Cool. So there we go. Here it is. Is there anything else in here? No. Okay. So yeah, this is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it's very lightweight. Wow. Let's see what it weighs, guys. Okay, here it feels really light. Oh, that's grams. Yeah, switch it to American. There we go. 3.2 ounces. Very lightweight. That's sort of, I don't know. It doesn't feel like 3.2 ounces. I mean, that's what that weighs. Anyway, so look, all these tools, you get about the same thing as this knife weight right here, the mini sheepdog. Anyway, cool. And when you feel it, guys, it feels very lightweight for what's all in here. Love this shape. It's a good size. You can see there it is next to the mini sheepdog right there. I mean, it's about the same size. So it's got a full size handle on it. Now, what really bugged me, guys, is I found out it doesn't include the clip, and it looks like you can use the standard Leatherman the clip, the new pocket clip that they put on the P series. So I think I'm going to order a pocket clip for it. I really want a pocket clip for it. But it's why didn't they include one? You have the holes for it. They include it with the T4. Why not include it with the T2? You got the hole. It just Leatherman, that bums me out. That really bums me out. You should include the pocket clip with it. You know, why make people have to purchase it? Give them the option. How much can a pocket clip possibly cost you guys? Charge the extra $2 or whatever it might cost you, and include a pocket clip, please. All right, so this is it, guys. So first off, let's check out the knife. A little bit tough to open. I'm sure it will loosen up over time. Really like that knife blade. Wow. Look at the shape of that thing. It's almost like a... Look at that really aggressive upsweep on it. Wow, it's almost like a Tonto tip. That is a cool little knife shape. I really like that. Hollow grind. You can see it's a hollow grind there. How did they do on the sharpened bevel? They did a pretty good job. Not bad. A little rough on one side. Wow. I was always so impressed by Leatherman's grinds. But it's really diminished. Like, look at this. Look at this, guys. Here. There's one side. And there's the other. Not very good job there, Leatherman. Holy smokes. I'm starting to really get over it. You know, I'm trying not to focus on the sharp and grind too much, but that is a really cool knife shape. I'm really digging that. I've always liked Leatherman's knives, though. I always think they do a really good job with their knives. Like, I've always thought that this knife right here on the skeletal was a really cool knife. But you can see there's the size comparison. I mean, it's almost the same size as the skeletal. Obviously, the knife blade's not as long, but you've almost got, like, as much usable edge right there. So, you know, very comparable to the skeletal. And I like how the knife is on how you can see the knife blade actually comes below the handle here, the line of the handle. So when you're using it, you know, the knife, the blade isn't up here, or, you know, so it's going to be down where it's usable, and it actually feels really good. The ergos are really good in hand. Bummer about the sharpened edge. Bummer about the sharpened edge. Look at that. Oh, God damn it. All right. But, you know, that's a good full handle. Like, look, I'm about medium-sized hands here, but that would fit. I would even say a large-size hand that would fit in there fairly well. And because it's so thick in this dimension here, it fills the hand, and it actually feels really good. I like that. Ergos on it so far are good. So this is the new locking mechanism on it. Now, I am a lefty, so let's see how this works for lefties. Still works pretty well, if I can get it. Let's see, one-handed closing on this for a lefty. Yeah, I can do it. All right, it's not super comfortable, but it's lefty friendly. I mean, you have to do that with a lot of these multi-tool knives because they're set up for righties, and us dirty lefties have to adapt sometimes. But there you go. let's see here. So let's check these out. Cool. First off, we've got this little tool here. Now, I wasn't blown away by this tool right here. It's sort of a, I think it's like a clamshell opener. Like they got the sharpened edge right here. So you can open clamshell packaging without using a knife and cutting the, that's, I think that's one of the number one causes for emergency room visits is people opening clamshell packaging, So I think that's what this thing's for here, which makes sense. And they blunted it on the end. I would love to have seen them do something like this. This is, like I said, if you've seen my review on the Victorinox, this is one of my favorite tools on any multi-tool. See the chisel there? And you can use that little corner to open clamshell packaging. I wish they'd have done something more like that. I think that would have been so doable because that chisel is so useful. And you see how they do the wire strippers down here? They could have done something like that very easily right here. I think that's just wasted space. But anyway, it's a cool little clamshell package opener, and it's got a nice thick, beefy... it's got a really nice thick, beefy screwdriver at the end there. If you have something with, a nice big fat flathead screw that needs to be undone, and then it has... I think you could use this as a pry bar pretty well too because of this contouring down here. So you could definitely pry some stuff with that. So there we go, pry bar. All unlocks and locks with that locking, that switch up there. Let's see what else they have in here. Let me see, I gotta get used to that. They've got a Phillips right there, and that's gonna be your bottle opener too. Hey, cool little Phillips. This is sort of their 2D Phillips that they put on the P series as well. It's also something you might find on a Wingman. So just a little standard P2 bit. I don't know if it works on P1. I tried my on Phillips 1. I've tried the P series on the Phillips 1. Wasn't really going for it, so I think that might just be a Phillips 2 bit. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll definitely try it out on some Phillips 1, see if it works. And then I think we've got an awl over here. Oh yeah, that's nice and sharp. Watch out for that guy. So this is an awl with a little small screwdriver on the end. And you could use this to pry stuff too. It's actually got a little hole in it. I think, if you need to... I don't know. I wasn't... This is the exact same awl that's on the P series. Wasn't super impressed by it, but, oh well. So the T-Force has a pair of tweezers in it, and... it has a pair of scissors as well. And by the look of it, something has a corkscrew on it as well. So if you're a wine aficionado and you need a corkscrew, I think the other one has a corkscrew. I could be wrong about that, but it looked like it did. Anyway, look, bummed out. Why don't you include a freaking pocket clip? Like what the hell? This is going to go... You want people to carry this in pocket? It's huge. I mean, look at it. It's longer than... about the same length as a Pilar. Longer. It's longer than a Pilar. It's bloody huge. Look at this thing. I thought this thing was going to be tiny, but it's not. I mean, it's almost the same size as the Skeletal. Look at that. I just think if you're going to make a tool this size, you've got to put a pocket clip on it. This is, it's kind of too big to carry in pocket, but anyway, put a pocket clip. There's a new deep carry pocket clip. That was the most impressed I was with a pocket clip for a multi-tool, which was on that P series, and I just don't get why you didn't include it. It looks like the exact same screw pattern. I'm just going to have to order one, I guess. Thanks, Leatherman. Thanks for that. But, guys, look, I really like the shape of this knife blade. Really bummed out about the grind on it, but I think they did a really cool job. I was really, really unimpressed by the knife on the P series. The serrations were just really aggressive. I just wasn't a huge fan. I really like this one. I think this blade shape is cool. It's not super lefty friendly though, guys. I'm going to tell you that. It really isn't. It's just, if you're a righty, this is going to be much more friendly for you. Maybe they'll make some lefty versions. I doubt it. But, hopefully that'll loosen up. I don't know, guys. We'll just have to check it out. I'm going to do I'm going to have to carry it around and do a review on it. But like I said, it's a nice, beefy tool. It's not small. It is not small. It's not like a little Victorinox at all. This is a big, full-size multi-tool, and it fits the hand really well. Very impressed by that. So yeah, like I said, we're going to have to check these things out and see how they run and see how they work. And, go from there with it. So yeah, cool. Check it out, guys. This is the new T2 from from Leatherman. I hope you like this unboxing. I'm not, I'm sort of winging it with this unboxing stuff, but there you go. Very, very lightweight. Kind of impressed with it so far. I am a lefty. I'm not a huge, I'm not a huge backer of products that aren't lefty friendly, and this is something I'm just gonna have to get used to, just like I did with the Skeletal. I've had to learn how to open this one, so either way, I'll have to get used to it. So, ooh, that is sharp. I just caught myself. Okay, guys. So next month's giveaway is this guy right here. Okay. This is going to be my next giveaway. Now, I just got a Kershaw Mini Natrix with a copper. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing the drawing on these guys. So if you haven't seen my Biblio review, get over there, comment, win this one, okay? This is going to be easy to win. There's not very many people in this drawing. So if you want to get this guy, get over there and check it out. Get over to my Instagram, and just go to the giveaway for this guy. You can see it in my timeline or my pictures. And, all you have to do is, all the information for how to win this guy is there. Now, once I give these two guys away tomorrow, I'm going to be posting the details on how to win this guy right here. And this guy's awesome. Check it out, the review on it. Really cool little lightweight Para 3 by Spyderco. So, check it out too. All right, guys. So, that's my unboxing of this thing. I don't know yet. I'm not blown away, but you know what? Let's see how it does. I think it's kind of cool that you can have a knife with a screwdriver, and some screwdrivers in it, because I use screwdrivers a lot. So we'll see how this guy stands up to the test of time, and I'll do a full review on it for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and get over and follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like it, and hopefully you'll stick around and watch some more. Thank you.